Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dry plants green again. First, carefully assess your plant's current state to determine if revival is truly possible. Look for any signs of life, even a tiny bit of green. Then, understand that dryness often stems from insufficient watering or low humidity. We'll start by rehydrating your plant immediately, giving it the best chance to bounce back. This initial step is crucial for its recovery. Proper watering is key to bringing your plant back to life. Ensure the soil is consistently moist, but never waterlogged, as this can cause further damage. A good rule of thumb is to check the top 2 inches of soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If your plant's current soil is compacted or looks depleted, consider repotting it with fresh, well-draining soil to give its roots a better environment to thrive. Beyond watering, environmental factors play a huge role. Increase the humidity around your plant by placing it on a pebble tray filled with water or by using a small humidifier nearby. Provide adequate light, but avoid harsh, direct sunlight, especially for a stressed plant. Remember, extreme temperature changes and drafts can also hinder recovery, so find a stable, comfortable spot for your plant. For long-term success, establish a consistent watering schedule tailored to your plant's specific needs. Once your plant shows clear signs of recovery, you can sparingly fertilize it with a balanced liquid fertilizer, perhaps at 1/4 strength. Regularly inspect for any pests or diseases, addressing them promptly. With consistent care, your once dry plant can flourish and stay beautifully green for a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.